Fire won't catch, flashlight dies, the cold creeps in, then the signal drops and suddenly you don't know which trail leads back. Every camper's been there. So I pulled 41 tools that shut every one of those nights down. This is GEARHOUND, I'm Marcus. I dig through the outdoor market so you don't have to. And only the tools that earn their spot make it into these lineups. Today's cut, 41 finds built to sharpen up your entire camp setup without draining your wallet. Links sitting in the description if you want to grab any. Hit subscribe and let's get into it. Ever set up camp after dark and realize you've got one flashlight for the whole crew? Real talk, that's a rough night. This Skyfire magnetic lantern earned its spot for one reason. It does both jobs. 4,000 milliamp hour battery, 3 color modes, magnetic base sticks to any metal surface, and the mini keychain light clips right onto your pack. Wide beam for the sight, focus beam for the tent, one charge, no dead batteries, no scrambling in the dark. If you camp with a group, this one made the cut fast. Here's a wild one. Flashlight by day, fire starter by night. This Skyfire packs 3,000 lumens plus a Fresnel ignition lens that focuses sunlight tight enough to light tinder in seconds. Add the yellow-blue alternating mode for signaling, and you're carrying 3 tools in one shell. When the standard lighter fails, wet, windy, cold, this lens still works. That's the kind of backup I dig through the market for. Real talk, this one earned its spot the second I saw the lens fire up dry moss on camera. Hold up, before we go further, wait until you see number 6. That one's the reason I stopped buying overpriced camp gear. Now this Meidase trail cam. 64 megapixel photos, 1296p video, 0.1 second trigger, 100-foot no-glow night vision, and Wi-Fi. So you check the feed from your phone without walking out to the woods. Hunters, ranchers, backyard, homeowners, tracking, whatever keeps knocking over the trash, this one covers all of them. Set it, forget it, check the app. Curator stamp on this one. Group camp, big table, everyone's squinting at one weak headlamp, no thanks. This telescopic lantern extends to full stand height, throws RGB color modes across the whole site, and packs a 12,000 milliamp hour battery that doubles as a power bank for your phone. One tool, 3 jobs. Overhead light, mood color, charger. Collapses back down for the pack. If your camp trips involve more than 2 people, this one earned its spot, no debate. Every camp night ends the same way. Everyone huddles around whatever fire someone managed to build. Might as well do it right. This OutVue 36-inch pit ships with 2 grill grates, a lid, a poker, and a weather cover. Cook on it, heat around it, cover it when the rain hits. 10,000 units sold in a month, that's not marketing, that's people voting with their wallets. This one didn't just make the cut, it anchors the campsite. Alright, I told you to wait for number 6, and here's why. Big lanterns die fast. Small ones give up light for battery. This NICKLUC does neither. 10,400 milliamp hour capacity, 2,200 lumens, magnetic base sticks to a car hood, if you need a work light, and it runs long enough to outlast the whole trip. Storm rolls in, power's out, this one turns your garage into daylight. That's the finding that made me stop chasing cheaper knockoffs. Curator stamp, no hesitation. Hot hikes, no shade, sweat pouring hands full with poles or a pack. This waist fan clips right onto your belt, runs 100 speed levels up to 16,000 RPM, and throws a small flashlight beam for the dust stretch of the trail. Hands stay free, air keeps moving, and when it gets dark, the light's already on your hip. Summer camp gear that quietly earns its spot every July. Simple, smart, sits on the belt like it belongs there. Some products just look right. This mini handheld fan comes in a metal shell, no cheap plastic squeak, no rattle packs, 5,000 milliamp hours, hits 15,000 RPM, and hides a small flashlight in the base. Fits a jacket pocket, sits on a nightstand, tosses in a purse. If you're stacking gift ideas for someone who hikes or travels light, this one earned its spot as the quiet pick. Real talk, it feels twice its price in the hand. Family camp trips hit different. You're not just packing for yourself, you're packing for the folks who need warm and washable, not tactical. This OGERY bag runs 3-season rated, cotton flannel lining, anti-snag zipper, machine washable when someone spills cocoa on it at 2 a.m. Rolls down small, straps to a pack. If your camp crew includes little ones, this one made the cut for the family tent parents know why. Quick question, drop it in the comments. Would you rather spend 20 bucks on gear that works for a year or 200 on gear that lasts forever? Tell me which camp you're in. Now this emergency radio. Hand crank, solar panel, USB backup, picks up NOAA, AM, FM, has a built-in LED flashlight, reading lamp, and SOS whistle. Storm knocks out the grid, this one still runs. Nothing to charge, nothing to replace. That's a real backup. Every prep kit needs one, no exceptions. Water is heavy, water containers are bulky until they're not. This collapsible cube packs flat like a folded shirt, expands to 1.3 gallons when you fill it, BPA free, freezer safe if you want to turn it into a cooler block. Fill up at the trailhead, drain it, fold it, gone. Ultralight backpackers know this hack. This one earned its spot for anyone who packs smart and hates hauling dead volume in the pack. Try prepping breakfast on the ground, and you'll understand this one instantly. This ZORCHENCO table folds flat, weighs almost nothing thanks to the aluminum frame, and sets up in under a minute with adjustable legs that level out on any slope. Storage mesh under the top holds your utensils. Real talk, the difference between roughing it and camping right is usually just one flat surface. This one made the cut for that reason alone. Camping doesn't mean you have to give up hot water. This portable shower runs a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, a 1,500 watt heater with auto shutoff, holds 5.3 gallons in a collapsible bucket, and shows the water temp on a digital display. Rinse off after a hike, wash the dog, clean camp dishes with hot water. Van lifers built entire lifestyles around gear like this. If your trips run longer than a weekend, this one earned its spot in a hurry. Batteries die at the worst moment always. This 6,400 milliamp hour lantern hits 1,000 lumens, 4 light modes, and here's the part I dig. It has a hand crank backup, battery empty, no charger, no power. Crank it for 2 minutes, get light for 20. Kids love it, storm country families rely on it, camp veterans keep one in every pack. This one earned its spot for the crank alone. Simple, tough, ready when nothing else is. Regular walkie-talkies hit a wall around 3 miles. This CARRBORG pair runs over 4G networks, unlimited range as long as the signal exists. National parks, long-haul trucking, family caravans splitting up on a hike, this one keeps everyone connected. Ships with earpieces, SIM support included. Real talk, if you've ever lost track of someone on the trail, you already know why this earned its spot. No towers to build, no subscriptions to renew. All right, we're rolling, and the one coming up in a few is honestly the pick I keep coming back to. Now, this Philips, big brand, big lumens, 13,000 to be exact, plus a fire-starting Fresnel lens and stepless brightness control with memory function. Turn it on, it remembers the last setting. Brand credibility matters when you're trusting gear in the dark, and this one earned its spot the second Philips put their name on it. Curator stamp for the brand reliability alone. A camp knife is either right or it's a keychain. This Purple Dragon runs forged high-carbon steel, full tang construction, one piece from handle to tip, ergonomic grip, and a leather sheath. Feather sticks, tent stakes, food prep, kindling, ship sharp, no bench grinder needed. Real talk, the difference between a real knife and a cheap knockoff shows up the first time you baton wood. This one earned its spot on the first swing. Fire in the rain, that's the real test. This Wallaby kit ships 33 waterproof fire tablets in a metal case, a ferro rod with striker, and a pocket survival guide. Tablets light with a spark, burn hot enough to catch wet wood, and each one gives you a full minute of open flame. 33 attempts in a pack that fits in a jacket pocket. Real talk, this one made the cut for the ratio alone. Cost per fire is nothing. Every EDC pack needs one boring-looking tool that does 9 things. This tactical pen writes like a pen, sure, but it also has a glass breaker tip, ferro rod fire starter, compass, whistle, bottle opener, and a mini wrench head. Aluminum body, clips to a pocket, no one asks questions at TSA. Great gift for the guy who has everything but never has the right tool. This one earned its spot as the sleeper pick of the lineup. Camp isn't just gear, sometimes it's the moment after the fire's down, the food's eaten, and someone pulls out something worth pouring slow. These charred, wood-fired whiskey glasses come with custom engraving names, dates, anniversaries, groomsmen gifts, Father's Day, retirement, the guy who camps with the same crew every year. This one earned its spot as the moment pick. Not tactical, not survival, just right. 20 different tools scattered in your pack means 20 things to lose. This one, 4-in-1, puts 14 of them in one compact shell knife. Saw, wrench, opener, flint, whistle, more. Fits in a palm, weighs almost nothing. Bestseller in its category. When you're stripping down what to carry, this one earned its spot for the ratio, tools per ounce. Simple, no nonsense, ready in the pack pocket. Ponchos are underrated. They cover you, they cover your pack, and if you rig them right, they turn into an emergency shelter. This USGI runs ripstop fabric in military camo, snaps at the sides, hood pulls tight in the wind. Roll it up, straps to a pack, weighs nothing. Halfway through the list here, hang tight. The second half is where the sharpest picks land. This one earned its spot as the always in the pack backup. One burner stoves make you cook in shifts. That's not a meal, that's a project. This ODSD double burner puts out 20,000 BTU total, comes with a built-in windshield, folds flat for the pack and ships with a pan and coffee stand. Cook eggs and boil water at the same time. Family camp mornings just got real. This one earned its spot for anyone who's ever waited 40 minutes for coffee while the rest of the crew ate cold. Yeah, this exists, a wearable neck, AC. 6,000 milliamp hour battery, real cold air blowing tech, not just a fan spinning at your neck, sits on the shoulders like headphones. Hot hikes, outdoor work, festivals, kids' soccer games in July, hands-free, cold air on constant. Real talk, the first 10 seconds of it hitting your neck sold me. This one earned its spot for anyone who works or camps in summer heat. Truck gets stuck, tire dips into mud, snow piles up in the driveway, you need a shovel that lives in the vehicle without eating space. This HX folder collapses to fit under a seat, aluminum alloy handle, multi-tool head that handles digging, chopping, sawing, off-roaders swear by it. This one earned its spot as the hope you never need it, glad it's there pick. Real talk, a stuck truck at midnight teaches you fast. Pocket flashlights either underperform or overpromise. This PASIION does neither 800 lumens, red laser pointer for signaling, magnetic clip and base for hands-free work, and small detail, I dig, a hidden bottle opener. Fits in the coin pocket of jeans, rechargeable, always in reach. Real talk, this one made the cut because it's the flashlight I stopped comparing to others. Curator stamp for the daily carry pick. Riders know a helmet swings from a hook or bangs against everything you own. This KEMIMOTO backpack holds 20 liters plus a hidden helmet net that tucks the lid tight against the pack. Waterproof PVC and 600 DPU coating means the rain won't get your gear. Moto camping is a real niche now, and this pack made the cut for anyone who rides to their campsite. Sharp, clean, built right. Disposable lighters run out at the worst time always. This permanent match runs a reusable metal design with waterproof and windproof housing, plus a keychain multi-tool with a bottle opener. Small enough to live on a keyring, tough enough to survive years of use. Real talk, the always with me tools are the ones that actually pay off, and this one earned its spot for being one you literally never leave home without. Alright, the last 10 products are where I want your full attention, so save your strongest curator stamp for what's coming. Now this Freelander, D2 steel, the same steel used in pro-grade Bushcraft blades, full tang, G10 handle, 3 15-inch blade. D2 holds an edge longer than standard stainless, and this one runs it at a budget-conscious price. Real talk, this is the knife I dig through for when someone asks, what's the best entry-level Bushcraft blade? Over 1,000 reviews at 4.5 stars, that's not luck, that's real users voting. This CT Capatronics runs 3,200 lumens, 4,600 milliamp hours, 5 light modes, dual COB panels for full 360-degree coverage, and a USB output that turns it into a power bank. Camp, fishing, storm prep, one tool covers all three. This one earned its spot on social proof alone. When 1,000 people agree, you pay attention. Some jobs need a knife, some jobs need a machete. This HX kukri runs 14 inches of D2 steel, full tang, ships in a Kydex sheath. Kukri shape means the blade weight sits forward, one swing takes down brush that would take a hatchet. 5. Trail clearing, camp prep, storm cleanup in the backyard. Real talk, this one earned its spot the first time it dropped a wrist-thick branch clean. Curator stamp, no debate. On paper, a bracelet with survival gear built in sounds like a novelty. In practice, this AICE gear runs paracord, a ferro rod, fire starter, whistle, compass, and mini saw all on your wrist. 3,000 reviews back it up. Scout troops carry them, hunters wear them, hikers keep one on the pack strap, 2 per pack. This one earned its spot as the wear it and forget it until you need it backup. Every day at some point you need to cut, tighten, open, or pry something. This Seve Captain runs 7 tools in one keyring size shell: scissors, screwdriver, blade, bottle opener, file. Stainless steel, weighs less than a set of keys, sits on the ring next to your car fob. Real talk, the tools that live on your keys are the ones you actually use. This one made the cut as the daily driver multi-tool. One emergency flashlight is smart. 10 of them is a family emergency kit, 1 per person, plus backups for the car, garage, and neighbor. This UC hip-hop pack runs hand crank dynamo and solar charging, no batteries to buy, ever. Crank 2 minutes, get light for 30. Storm season, earthquake prep, big family, small budget. This one earned its spot for anyone thinking about the whole household, not just themselves. Standard lighters die in a breeze. This refillable torch lighter runs a jet flame that shrugs off wind, adjustable flame height, safety lock, and refills from any butane can. Campfires, backyard barbecues, gas grills, fireplace, cigars. 1 lighter, no more topping up the recycling bin with plastic disposables. Real talk, this one earned its spot on refillability alone. Buy once, use for years. Water runs out, water sources look questionable, water is heavy to carry, this filter fixes all three. This 4-pack runs multi-stage filtration, roughly 1,500 liters of use per straw, and lets you drink directly from a stream, puddle, or muddy source in an emergency. Backpackers cut water weight with these. Prep kits stack them. This one earned its spot as the small tool big impact pick. Curator stamp, and yeah, buy the 4-pack. Real talk, when you're miles from the nearest road and someone catches a bad gash, you don't want plastic tweezers. This Bio-Precision kit runs German stainless steel scalpels, precision forceps, fine scissors organized in a rigid case. Built for lab work, but pack it in a camp first aid kit and it changes what prepared means. This one earned its spot as the hope you never open it, glad it's there pick. The 4G walkie-talkies at number 15 work where signal exists. This Retevis GMRS radio works when it doesn't. IP67 waterproof and dustproof NOAA weather channels, 2800 mAh battery, repeater support for longer range. Off-roaders, hunters, ranch crews rely on GMRS because it doesn't need cell towers. USB-C charging, tough shell. This one earned its spot as the when the grid fails backup radio. Real coverage, no subscription. Different from the earlier folding shovel, this one leans into the military engineering side. Thicker steel, more rugged joints, ships with a carry sheath, doubles as a hatchet, saw, pry tool, and yes, a shovel. Trunk of the truck, off-road rig, prep pack, this one lives wherever you might need to dig or chop under pressure. Real talk, this earned its spot as the heavy-duty option for people who actually put shovels to work. Sharp, reliable, and ready for whatever the trail throws at you. Camping meals go one of two ways. Either you're a hero or you're eating cold beans out of a can. This free hiker set ships 27 pieces of stainless steel cookware organized in a compact carry bag, including barbecue tools. Pots, pans, utensils, cutting board, everything nested. One bag, one setup, full camp kitchen. If you cook for more than yourself on trips, this one earned its spot before the first meal. Everything you need to feast in the woods. And here's the closer the one I saved for last. Flat tire, middle of nowhere, no gas station in sight. This cordless inflator hits 180 pounds per square inches, runs on a rechargeable battery, no cigarette lighter cord to stretch, and shows real-time pressure on a digital display. Cars, trucks, motorcycles, bikes, independence is the word. This one earned the last spot because it's the one that gets you home when nothing else will. Curator stamp, and honest to God, don't drive without one. That's the Cut 41 tools that earned their spot. Which one made your list? Drop the number in the comments, tell me why. And if you found even one thing worth grabbing, hit subscribe. I dig through this market every week, and GEARHOUND is where the finds land first. See you in the next one.